Hi everybody, welcome to my channel where I talk about vintage inspired fashion. In this video I'm gonna show you how I transformed this shirt that my mom bought in the 80s in a 40s inspired crop top. I know that clothes from the 80s are already vintage, but I don't really like the style of that era, so I thought I could transform that shirt in something I would really like to use. And that's it, let's get started. First of all, I ironed the shirt, then I fold it in half so that the cut I'm gonna make will be symmetrical. I trace a line 5 cm under my breast. And I cut following that line. Then I cut the sleeves as well to make them shorter. I turn the shirt inside out and make the hem on the sleeves. Then I can take care of the bottom of the shirt. I take the piece of fabric I previously cut from the bottom of the shirt, and from that I cut a stripe of fabric double width the belt I want to close my shirt. In my case it's 10 cm plus a couple of centimeters of seam allowance, for a total of 12 cm. I'm using the very bottom of the shirt so that I can keep the hem, but I'm cutting off the pieces with buttons and highs. After measuring my circumference at the point where the shirt will close, I mark it on my strip of fabric, making sure it's perfectly centered, and making sure that what's left from both parts is enough to close the shirt with a knot. If they're not, I can make them longer with the fabric from the sleeves. Now I have to put together the shirt with the fabric band. The right side of the band must face the wrong side of the shirt. I gather the bottom of the shirt to make it of the same length of the central part of the band that correspond to the measurement of my midriff. Using pins, I fix together the bottom of the shirt with the part of the band that doesn't have the hem. I must be sure that the center back of the shirt matches the center of the band. Then I sew them together. I end up having a clean seam inside the shirt and this mess on the outside. But this is right because now I fold the band to cover the seam for around ½ centimeter and I fix it in this position with pins. I also fold inside the ends of the band in order to have a clean finish. Now I sew everything with a straight stitch as close as possible to the edge. This is the final result. I think that this top, inspired from some midriff top of the 40s, fits me better than the 80s shirt. And I also find that looks better with its matching skirt. What do you think? By the way, with the leftover fabric from the shirt plus some fabric from the skirt, I made this other top. I'll show you how in another video, so stay tuned for this and other vintage-inspired contents. Bye!